Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss a case law on the discontinuance of the names of the pensioners, that is the social security pensioners, and the procedure to be adopted by the government authorities while discontinuing the names of the beneficiaries. While disposing the two writ petitions, writ petitions numbers 11104 by 2018 and 21104 by 2019. So these two writ petitions, you can read this case as Rajula Sahu and others versus State of AP 2020. Right? This was decided by Honorable Single Judge Sri Bhattu Devanand on 8/9/2020. That is on 8th September itself he has given the decision. Since it is an important decision and also relates to so many people, I am making this video. Right, the factual background of the writ petition is there are so many writ petitioners, about 200 members. So in these two, like incidentally, the petitioners belonging to these two writ petitions, they belong to Srikakulam district. So the petitioners in 2019 WP, they belong to Berlangi village of Ichapuram Mandal, while in the other petition, they belong to Penibarthi village in Pondur Mandal. All of them are below poverty line. Right? Some of them are widows, some of them are single women, some of them are disabled persons, and for these persons, the so-called social security pension has been cancelled for them in the year 2019. And therefore, they approached the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh for the issue of writ of mandamus directing the government to continue their pension scheme. You may be knowing, according to Article 39 of the Constitution of India and also 41 of the Constitution of India, so the state should see to the development of people, raise the level of nutrition, raise the standard of living, all these things. That's why the social security schemes are there. Right. The government of AP issued an operational guidelines in GOMS number 83 by Panchayat Raj Department on 27/3/2006, right, regarding the pension scheme or social welfare scheme to the old age people more than 65 years, then widows, weavers, and disabled persons, all these things. But immediately they have given the criteria also, right? First, during the year 2006, this was called as Indiramma Kanuka. Later it was after the TDP government came into power, NTR Bharosa, I think. Subsequently now YSR Pension Kanuka, I think. Present scheme is YSR. So now the system of village volunteers has come into existence. Now normally there will be political differences, and the new government comes into power, they say that the old people are not real people, they want to give some more pensions to them, all these things will be there. So due to this, the number of 178 or 200 people, their names have been removed from the list of beneficiaries of the social security schemes like widow pension, then old age pension, disabled pension, weavers pension, all these pensions. Now, since there is no other go, they have approached the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. Right? When the inquiry has been started, the advocate on behalf of the petitioners, some of the petitioners, he stated that since they belong to that village, which is Berlangi village, where the caste custom don't allow them to go to the court of law and get divorced. Even though they are literally divorced by husbands, there is no documentary evidence. Even though they are discarded by husbands, there is no documentary evidence to say that they are single women. So taking advantage of these things, the village volunteers, then they stated that since these people do not have any documentary evidence, they are not widows, they are not single women, therefore their name should be deleted. This is the theory. So therefore they wanted to get them reinstated or their names be included in the beneficiaries list. Right. The Standing Council on behalf of the Panchayat Raj Department, because it is vested with the MPDO and Panchayat Raj Department, he stated that as per the report of the village volunteer, so since these women could not produce sufficient evidence that they were discarded by the husbands and they were widows, their old age difference is also there, because nowadays we have been, when I went to very recently, I had gone to Aadhaar ATM center. So to change my name, actually my name is Sunkara Sai Babu, but in Aadhaar card it has come as Sai Baba. There was some discrepancy regarding the passport. Then I went to the post office for a correction of the same. But because seeing so many people, I could not do and come back. But here what I came to know is that they are able to correct the age also in that ATM. Yes. So they are not up to that age like all these things they were there because. So now the Honorable Court has pointed out two things. Number one, no doubt you have admitted them in the scheme. Now when you want to delete their names from the scheme, you have to conduct an inquiry whether it was conducted or not. The affidavit filed by the Panchayat Raj department did not show as to on which date the inquiry was conducted, whose statements were recorded, and who conducted the inquiry. This is not found place in the affidavit, even though the affidavit states so many things. Second point is whether they were heard or not. That is principles of natural justice. Are important. So this was also not done. So according to G1 883, whenever they want to delete the names, actually whenever they want to include the names, it has to be put in the Gram Sabha. Their name should be, the Gram Sabha should pass a resolution. Even for the deletion also, Gram Sabha should take a decision. Before that, some inquiry should be conducted, which is not conducted. This is the main point. The inquiry was not conducted. The principles of natural justice were also not followed. So simply basing on the report, some village volunteer who studied intermediate, who does not know the consequences or the procedure of conducting an inquiry, since he gave a report, the government has simply stricken away their names, which is not correct. Right? In this correction, Honorable High Court also commented, no doubt the public community or the social security schemes are better. You are spending thousands of crores of rupees on this, but eventually, so it is public money. Who asked the government to spend thousands of crores on Krishna and Godavari Pushkarams? Who asked the government to issue Chandrana Tofa or Ramzan Tofa or Christmas Kanuka like that? Since you are wasting thousands of crores, can't you spend money? Can't you include them in the list? Why should you delete their names? In this correction, the Honorable Court also stated, we can't forget the government coloring the government officials. So much of money was wasted. All these things find place in the judgment of Mr. Devanand. And incidentally, lastly says is, as per the culture and customs, no married woman should claim that she is a widow. No married woman says that she declares her single. Let us presume that she has stated. What for? It is only for financial, since she does not have enough money to make both ends meet. So what is so wrong in including names? Why should you delete their names? Finally, the Honorable High Court directed the government of Andhra Pradesh to make payment of pension to the petitioners from the date they were stopped till to date within 15 days, and their names should continue. They should get the benefits continuously till, so it should be continued till the orders by competent authority. Please remember, after proper inquiry was done. If they are deleted, we can't do anything. So they have to, an inquiry should be conducted, it should be placed before the Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha should pass a resolution, then they can be removed. We can't help it because this scheme should not go into the hands of the actually people who are not deserving the same also, is it not? So anyway, good judgment. It will be useful for so many persons, particularly to the peer people. Because of the political turmoil, some people's names may be deleted. In such a case, as advocates, you have to come forward, cite this case law, and get their names once again included in the list. For this purpose only, I am making this video. It will definitely useful. Please study the case law if possible and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.